Hey loves, welcome to my channel Miss Event Planner, a channel dedicated to inspiring the party planner in you and those who wish to make it their career. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this gorgeous little coffee bar station perfect for a baby shower using products from the Dollar Tree. This video is kindly sponsored by topcashback.com, so let me tell you a little bit about them and we'll get into all the coffee bar details. So you're just going to type in topcashback.com, and when you get to their site, you're going to make your user profile. All that you need is to use your email address and then come up with your own password, and that's going to take you to your own personal profile, and then you can just begin shopping from there. They have over 4,000 retailers to choose from. Some other retailers are like Walmart, Target, and Dollar General. Of course, today I'm going to be shopping at Dollar Tree because that's what this video is about. And so I just signed into my account, and it says when I look up Dollar Tree that I'm going to get 4% cash back on my purchase order. Dollar Tree is really known for their containers, so I made sure to empty out all of the coffee ingredients for the station into cuter glass containers. The quickest way to make anything that you use from Dollar Tree look more high-end is take it out of its original package and put it in something that looks like it costs more than it does. I also did it with these frosted oatmeal cookies that you can find in the snack aisle, and I think it was a very chic touch. So I got the idea to make a coffee bar after finding these super cute mugs online. I got so many compliments on them when I went to pick them up in the store after I ordered them. They have kind of like a vintage feel but still very modern, which is the vibe I kind of wanted to keep when I was creating the station and its decor. So what I did is I took these Dollar Tree hooks and I stuck them underneath the table so the coffee mugs could kind of hang underneath the table, sort of giving it a coffee house kind of vibe. I did add some glue dots on the handle just for extra security because it was going to be hanging over wood flooring and not carpet, and so I just wanted to make sure, just in case anybody bumped it, that it wouldn't kind of slide off. I found these coffee grounds at the store and I thought they matched the theme perfectly, and I loved how it added some nice cool colors to kind of balance out the rustic touches. I wanted this coffee station to double as a party favor bar, so I included some take-home brown bags that I found at Dollar Tree and matched the colored paper to the coffee ground display packs to make it a little extra fancy. I included a few more Dollar Tree food products and touches like this mini balloon cluster, and this is how it turned out. Let me know in the comments what your guys' favorite part of this coffee station favor bar was, and make sure to subscribe if you like this video. Don't forget to sign up for Top Cashback before you guys do any more online shopping. Get $10 cashback bonus when you refer a friend, and commission on anything they spend over $25. To get that offer, make sure you use my link below. Alright, so it's in the description box. If you guys want to use it, make sure to click that below. Sign up for Top Cashback, and happy shopping! I'll see you in another video.